Hello students, welcome to BYU Idaho, and I would love to introduce myself. I'm going to be your instructor this semester. My name is Pablo Riboldi. I was born in Argentina in the city of Rosario. It's a lovely city by the Paraná River, and this was my backyard playground area during my years growing up. After I served my mission in Cordoba, Argentina, in the northwest, I came here to study at Brigham Young University. I was able to earn a degree in information management and a master's and a PhD in instructional science. After that, I was able to go and work for the church for several years, and that was very, very fun and a great experience. And in the last 2 years, I've been here working at BYU Independent Study. So I'm the Assistant Director of Instructional Design, creating with my team all the online courses for Brigham Young University. And on the side, because I love teaching and learning, I also teach for the Family School Online. It's a school sponsored by American Heritage School, and I was able to develop and teach the courses for their online high school on geography, geology, botany, cytology, astronomy, physics, and biology. So I hopefully need to do chemistry sometime soon. So I really love learning and teaching almost everything and anything. One of my favorite books is called The Structure of Scientific Revolutions by Thomas Kuhn. This book explains in a very instructive way how actually science progresses and changes. Very, very interesting. It's a classic, really. Another classic that I love is Euclid's book on the elements of geometry. And I've started studying this book a few years ago, and that has also got me interested in the study of the Greek language. I have been able to read the Book of Mormon in Greek, and I'm now working on the Bible. I'm in Acts 13 in the Bible in Greek. Let me share one more book that I love. This is called Leadership and Self-Deception by the Arbinger Institute. This is probably one of the best books on management and interpersonal relationships that I can think of. One of my favorite websites is Wikipedia. I love reading Wikipedia articles, random things, or anything that I'm interested in. And usually I go to sleep either reading some book or reading Wikipedia. So I'm kind of weird in that sense. But I hope that we have a great semester learning and teaching one another together. Please, let's remember that my main focus on learning and education is really for us to see the hand of God in all things, really. And it doesn't matter what is the subject that we are studying. I want us to have an attitude of gratitude, of worshiping, and be amazed at the things that Heavenly Father has created for us. And I hope that we have a great semester together, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you. Thank you.